If you want to take a long screenshot on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, first we need to open an app or a website where we have scrolling pretty much. So I'm gonna use this Google app as an example. And then if you want to take the long screenshot, then first we need to capture the full screenshot by using any of the methods that you know. So for example, we can just press and hold 3 fingers on this screen in order to take the gesture screenshot like this. And then you should be able to find this arrow. That over here we have an arrow, or 2 arrows actually. And as you can see, the screen is now scrolling down, but we can manually keep going until we find the area that we want to end. So let's say I want to capture this full screenshot up to this point. So now we can press this red button here in order to save the long screenshot. Wait a couple of seconds, and then if you tap on the screenshot, you should be able to open it. And as you can see, here we have the preview. It feels kind of laggy, but if I open the Photos app, I should be actually able to find the screenshot over here. There you go. And we have our long screenshot. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.